Let's go.
Freedom. This is your Black China doll coming in today. I have been not recording because my son had a prom, and just the preparation for all of that, baby, I was blown. Okay, but thank God that's the last child, and I can have my life back. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. I'm coming in because I have a lot of wigs to review. I mean, they was coming in. I said, oh, let me do a video. And I just could not, I just could not find the time to do it. So now that the prom is over, it's a while before we get to grand night. Really, I don't really have nothing to do with grand night. It's just give me some money and I can go. I can get back to regular schedule. All right. So we are coming in today because this little girl I got, she's cute. She's cute. I don't even know the name of this wig or whatever, but I poshed it, so I don't know the name of her. But I do have another one that I poshed. But before we do any posh wigs, I think I'll just come in and be wearing a posh wig, but I'm not going to do any reviews on it, okay? So, I have a lot of wigs, and I have a lot of clothes that I'm supposed to do. So, let's just kick it off with just one, and then I'll get the ball rolling back up so that I can get back on schedule. All right, guys. Let's see what we come up with. And the clicker's not working. Ooh, it's gonna be okay, guys. So I got the wig that we're gonna be trying out today. Let me just give you the story of what was going on. Okay, so I told you all the scenario about all the prom stuff going on, whatever. So packages coming in from Amazon, this from this from the shoes, whatever, you know, all this stuff happening. Hope you guys like my shirt. It says, God is my provider. God is my provider. I shall not want. I think that's it. I shall not worry. Okay, so needless to say, this was the t-shirt I was wearing going through all this week. But at any rate, so the story is, this is the wig that we're going to be reviewing today, and it is a Wigpop, one of my favorite inexpensive wig lines, from Outre. Okay, I have to figure out, because a lot of people say I'm pronouncing it wrong, so I think it's Outre, and it's called Nelli. And we'll be reviewing this wig today. Now, mind you, when I ordered this, the delivery said delivered. Looked all around, couldn't find the package or whatever the case may be. I went to the other side of town looking for it, thinking that they delivered it to my address, but the east side of it, no. So, you know, I was just upset. I was like, well, you know what? I ordered a lot of wigs, and you know, well, if somebody gets the wigs, maybe they need it. Maybe, you know what I'm saying? So I was trying to trick myself into saying I didn't really need the wig or whatever, right? So I was upset about it, but then I was like, you know, I'm upset about it, but I'm not upset about it. But it was just like bothering me because my packages always show up. They never get misplaced. So at any rate, a couple days went by. You know, I'm still doing all the things with the prom and everything. I really don't have time for myself. I'm just doing stuff for the prom or whatever. And my neighbor comes with a package in her hand. And I'm like, what the hell is she doing? So I'm sitting down at the computer. I'm like, what the hell is she doing? Or whatever. And she leaves the package on the porch, and then she walks off or whatever. So I go out there and look. Girl, it's my damn wigs. So the deliverer delivered it to the wrong address, which is strange to me because my address is big as hell. It's like you can't miss it. It's like, you know what I'm saying? You can't, it's like it cannot be mistaken for anything else. So I don't know what happened, but thank God I have honest neighbors, and Lord knows she can't do nothing with these wigs. She can't do nothing with these wigs, so she returned my wig. So thank God for that. At any rate, that was my little story about these wigs. So I wanted this little number right here because it's me. It's me. It's me. I love little bitty pop-on wigs and something where I got to do lace and all that kind of stuff. Baby, this is me. Okay, so we're going to do this wig right here. She is just a pop-on wig. But what I like about it is it's straight and a little curly number. You know what I'm saying? That's me. I love a little curly number where she got a little jazz going on right here, and you know, and then it's normal on the back or whatever. Little jazz going on. So this is her right here. Real easy wig, you know. Nothing too hard. Because nothing's too hard for God, okay? So that's what we going on right here. All right, so I'm just going to try to open this up and go from here. And it's not going to let me be great. That's the cold part about it. Cold part about it is it won't let me be great. Okay, so the color that I'm be working with today, here is the wig. Here is the wig right here. Like I say, a little jazz in the front, and the rest of it is normal. Regular cap construction. When I say regular cap construction, what I mean is 2 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back, and adjustable straps. Sorry, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. That's always regular cap construction. But you know what I'm saying? Y'all know this. So it's like telling y'all the same thing over and over again. You already know what regular cap construction is. Okay. Now, the only thing I hate is this thing right here. I have to edit this out. I was trying to do this video without doing any editing, you know. But it don't want to let me be great. Let me be great right now. I can't. Nope. Just won't let me be great, y'all. Just won't let me. All right. So this wig can also, it also comes in chocolate swirl, ginger brown, a golden blonde, DR2 cinnamon wine, which is what I got, and DR golden amber. All right, those are the colors. But here is the wig. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Or whatever, that's what I do. Okay, I don't know. I got it on right. This don't feel like the middle. Okay, the way you'll be able to tell is those straps on it, those tabs on the side is how you can tell if you got it on right. And pop that comb in there. Bam. Okay. Now she look a hot ass mess, don't she? She look a hot ass mess. Okay. This is she. Okay, now I wanted to try this wig out because it is a challenge for me. All right, so stay tuned while I get her in shape, and we'll go from there. Okay, babies, I am back with her own honey. Yes, Miss Nelly is a short attitude, you know, kind of situation going on. All right, so what I did was cut her to my face. Now, when you get this wig, it is a lot of hair coming at you, but you can cut it down to fit your face. Okay, now there's one other way that I can wear this wig. This is how I would wear it if I was going out. Okay, if I was going out, this is how I would wear it. Okay, bam. Okay, but if I am just chilling in the house or going to the store, then I'm gonna bring it down some. I'm gonna bring it down. Okay. And it would be more or less like this if I was just going to the store, you know, just handling business. As a, you know, mommy going to the store, you know, bring these back over here. I'm just going to the store. I'm chilling. You know, this is how I will wear it. Okay. Now, as it gets older, these curls will fall. I wanted to see, could I actually move them over here just a little bit? Okay, you probably could. Just move them over. But, you know, you need some water to finesse these curls. I don't have any water. I'm just doing it on GP, you know, just moving them. But you can move these curls and make this come more over. Okay, let me see. If I had some water, it'll move better. But put a little water on it, little water, and you can move it like that. Okay. But me, I don't. And I see I need to cut this. Oh my God, where'd my scissors go? Don't know where the scissors went. Okay, well, when I get to the scissors, I'm going to cut that again. Okay, but when I don't like it all in my face like that. I like it up with a little toot on it. Okay, even like this. Even like this. I like it, you know, up. But yeah, you can do it like this too. Okay, I think I like it like that better. The curls is to me what makes the hairstyle. Okay, so you can actually wear it like this. Okay. All right, me and her we gonna rock this week, you know. I usually wear a wig, one wig a week at work, and you know that gives me a whole week to play with it, see what it's all about, whatever the case may be. But definitely, me and Nelly gonna be kicking it. We definitely gonna be kicking it. Okay. We definitely gonna be kicking it this week at work, being that it's gonna be hot. Yes, that's what we gonna do. All right, guys, this is my take on Miss Nelly. The color is banging. And I'm just saying, you know, for the summertime, it's going to be hot. And if you are a wig wearer and you don't want to wear your own hair, then you're going to have to figure out some short styles. And baby, this might be your number one. All right, guys, this is your Black China Doll coming in with Outre-Wigpop NELI. And check her out if you get a chance. If you have not subscribed, the time is now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will keep you in the know with all the new wigs, and short wigs is my specialty. So stay tuned if you want to get some more stories, some more girl time, some more wig time with me. Yeah, JR, that is my channel, but I am Black China Doll on the YT. Thank you very much. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see ya later. Remember, stay kind, be sweet, and stay out of trouble.
Huh.